Hey guys, Tim here, aka VS Customs from Soul Crawl. Now, I know I haven't done a video in a while. I've been really up in arms and tossing around ideas about this whole YouTube thing. YouTube's new rules, obviously you guys have heard all about it. I mean, do I make any money off it? No, I don't care. So, I'm going to do videos as I see fit. I haven't been building the last little bit between my arm, which is slowly getting there. I had surgery on it. I got to get some muscle work done to it now and got it straightened out. But this has been ongoing since October. Just a new job, so working away at that and being busy. But my plan is to get back into building, get back into having fun, and get back into RC crawling and RCs in general. So without further ado, I've started my new build. I ordered up one of these MST CFX-W kits. I really love the portal axle design. I love everything about it. They've got that nice little small pumpkin on them, nice height to them, and there's actually some really nice upgrades. So I got the Samex outside weighted covers and the weighted shock mounts, or sorry, link mounts. So I'm going to check that out. I've started putting the chassis together. Going to run the Hakamoto Racing, what is this, 35 turn motor. I'm also running the Samex, just built them last night so they're in a baggie here. The Samex metal links. I mean, they're lightweight, they're really nice looking. I think they'll look really clean under there. As far as wheels go, I'm not a big fan of plastic. So hit up LockedUP RC. Ordered up a set of these, oh, what are these? The Hellcats. I don't know if you can see, I went with the Hellcats with the deep dish on there. Gold rings, black hardware. I think these things are going to look big, burly, you know, pretty awesome. I'm kind of pumped for that. Now, it took me a little while on deciding what body I wanted to run. I've always wanted to build another Jeep again. So I didn't want to pay the price of a new bright, so let's move this stuff here because I haven't really even pulled this out. Let's take a look at this. This is the Xtra Speed version 2 Jeep JK body. This is for a 313 wheelbase. Now I know some guys were all up in arms when the version 1 came out. It was nice, it was 4-door opening, but these here are the version 2. They changed it up a little bit, so obviously your hard top seems nice and rugged. I like that. What does it come with here? Stickers going down the body. Ooh, angry eye grill. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to paint that up and use it so it looks proper. I hate it when it's just left black. I like when you have some of the body color in there and then you leave certain areas black. So that's the plan with that. Now, it comes with the long hood scoop. I said forget it, just grab it here. I'm not running the long hood scoop. I'm going to run this nice, I don't even know what they're calling this, just the Jeep off-road scoop. It's a little bit wider, shorter. I like the looks of it. So that'll be going on there. I even got these nice fender flares for it. So instead of the big wide fenders, these are going to be the cut fenders. They're looking pretty slick. Obviously it comes in pieces. You got your windshield, back doors, front doors, seats, more seats. Oh, the stock type of fender flares in case you want to run those. You never know, I might like those on there too. Obviously the light buckets, scale dash, mirrors and wipers and what are these? Mirror, I don't know what I'm saying. Mirrors, wipers, steering wheel. Some nice side vents for on the hood. Oh, I guess you guys want to see the body. So this is the body. Now, they went with a little bit of a different design. They've closed off the rear doors. I bet you with some fabrication, you can definitely make those work. Considering they are a full door, you could definitely figure out a way, all you custom guys out there, to make those open up. Just the weird way they did the floor, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's starting to look more like a Jeep. Maybe a little cut down, drop that whole floor down, open up that back door. That'd look really slick. But if you look, these doors look proper. That's the biggest thing that guys are complaining about. Yeah, let's open this up here. Is that on the version 1, the rear doors didn't look, or the rear doors didn't look proper. They look too small. Helps if I pick out the right side. There we go. Now I'm dropping everything. There's your back door. There's your front door. Look at that sizing. Much more proportionate, much proper, much gooder. Is that the word? No. Much better looking. I think that'll look really slick. Now, let's do a little test fit here. Toss all this back in the box. I'm curious on what it fits together on this MST chassis. And if you have that ability to chop out the floor. Dropping doors again. Oh, look at that. It tucks right up in there. So there's your slider mounts. Tucked up. You know, you figure out some kind of mounting system to mount it up in there. Your sliders will actually poke right out underneath that that rocker. So you could have some nice custom pieces up in there. The motor fits all up front, so if you want to cut out the hood and build a nice motor under there, you could do that. The back, I mean, there is a bit of room to go. You could drop it down, so if you wanted to cut that apart and do a bit of a drop down going on, that could work for sure. Bit of custom work. As far as the rear shocks go, they have them sitting up in the tops of the rear seats, but in saying that, your frame sits pretty level. So you could use it just the way it is as long as you're happy with that. So look at that. Pieces from different companies fit together and work good. Start building that scale truck. I'm liking this. This will be used for this year's RECON G6. I'm kind of pumped about that. Now we're just ironing out the date and all the details for that. And we'll let you guys know when it's going on. What else is going on other than this beautiful build? I guess I got to figure out what color I'm painting it. I'm not a big fan of yellow. I've done orange. Should I do orange again? You think that'll work? Let me think about that one. As you can see, it comes with nice instructions. 1 page, not too hard. Easy to figure out. Other than that, I've got some scale stuff I'm building up. If you don't know that I make scale stuff, you should definitely check it out. I have everything from scale brake boosters, scale batteries for those rigs, of course my CB radios I make all different stuff. So check out my Facebook page, Tim Blue AK VS Customs. That's where I post up a lot of that stuff. And that's about it. So, as I said, my plan is to get back into doing more videos. I want to obviously go along and show you guys what's going on with this build, because I'm pretty pumped about it. And follow along. So make sure to do more video updates and keep you guys informed. So like always, like, subscribe, and share. Follow along on Instagram under VS_Customs. And definitely add my page, Tim Blue AK VS Customs, on Facebook. I'm always posting up there. I'm always sharing stuff, and I'm sharing stuff from different things that are going on around the crawling community or the RC community as a whole. And that's about it. Cheers. you.